Hey, what's up, Judge Juggalos? This is Rainman, JHOF, and I'm gonna do a video response on your video known as You Tell Me Bullshit or Am I Wrong? Uh, in your video, you said that you went to a Juggalo chat room, you got banned because they're saying that you weren't a real Juggalo because you said two whoops. Now, I heard the whole video and I understand where you're coming from. So, in my opinion, I'm meant to say that's completely bullshit. I'm guessing those were Juggalos that didn't want new schoolers because a lot of new schoolers they're using the term two whoops or whoop whoop without the H's. Um, they're using much motherfucking wicked clown love or much motherfucking wicked family clown love, um, and all that. And yeah, Jay have said before that he has used two whoops, and I believe it was DJ Clay who started it. Like he's the one that said two whoops before. Like he's the very first one who said two whoops. But yeah, and those juggalos, anti, they're anti against new school juggalos. Like that's true. Some of the new schoolers don't know what it means to be a juggalo. Like they don't understand the music concept. They just understand that it's all about the music. But yeah, I understand where they're coming from. But they had no right of calling you a fake juggalo because they had no right to call you that because, well, one, because you said two whoops. A lot of people use two whoops, and they have been down since '95 or so. And then a lot of people are using low love. They're using low love, and those are not just what you may call it. Those are not just the new schoolers. Those are also the old schoolers as well. You may know them as Child's Play Ninja and the Boy Blue. Um, and a lot of jugglers are saying like, who's the juggler, who's not. I mean, they're saying a lot of stuff like, if you're not a juggler if you don't smoke weed. That's not true because Spike here. He doesn't smoke weed. He's straight edge. And when they say when a lot of jugglers say you're not a juggler if you don't listen to ICP, Blaze, ABK, Boondocks, or Twisted. If you don't listen to them, you're not a juggalo. Violent J has posted on his Twitter saying something like, most people are juggalos who don't listen to our music. They just haven't realized it yet. And, you know, that's how sometimes it is like that. I mean, a lot of juggalos are pertained to know what is a juggalo. But, a juggalo is undefinable. It's about who you are. You got family love. If you know what it means to be one, all about the unity, all about the love, complete respect for yourself and for others, and it doesn't matter what you say. If you say two whoops, whoops to the second power, whoop whoop, or whoop whoop, or whatever, as long as you know what it means to be a juggalo, then you shall be proud of calling yourself a juggalo. You shall be named as a juggalo. So yeah, this is my video response to you, and it may not sound all good, but it's my first video response on here. Peace and much clown love, man.